transforming your entry-level competitive gaming sessions, esports lobbies, or everyday multimedia setup into a reliable digital experience without overspending on bloated hardware usually means transitioning to a clean, well-balanced pre-built desktop. The suevery Prebuilt White Tower Gaming PC, featuring AMD Ryzen 5 and Radeon graphics, redefines budget-conscious desktop gaming by combining a striking aesthetic, efficient 6-core processing, and modern connectivity. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its AMD Ryzen 5 6-core processor, boosting up to 4.1 GHz, paired with a dedicated Radeon 4 GB graphics card. Instead of struggling with sluggish integrated graphics or outdated dual-core hardware, this system delivers smooth frame rates in popular esports titles, seamless multitasking, and snappy response times for everyday productivity tasks. Performance and everyday versatility streamline casual gaming sessions, online classes, and remote work assignments. Outfitted with a fast M.2 NVMe 512GB SSD and 16GB of DDR4 RAM, the desktop ensures rapid boot sequences, quick application loading, and ample local workspace. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by next-generation Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for lag-free wireless networking, a stylish white mid-tower chassis equipped with optimized airflow vents, and a clean out-of-the-box Windows setup. Things to consider before you buy: graphics performance limits. While the dedicated Radeon 4 GB graphics card excels at running esports games like CS, Go, Valorant, League of Legends, and Minecraft, and casual titles, highly demanding AAA games with advanced ray tracing will require lower graphical settings or a higher-end GPU. Storage and memory expansion. The 512GB NVMe SSD and 16GB RAM provide a great starting point for standard use, but heavy gamers with massive modern game libraries or content creators will eventually want to expand storage or upgrade memory. So who is this really for? This White Tower Gaming PC is an absolute home run for casual gamers, students, and budget-conscious users who want a stylish pre-built system capable of handling everyday productivity and popular competitive games right out of the box. If you are looking for a high-end 4K gaming rig to max out the latest graphic-intensive AAA blockbusters or a heavy workstation for 8K video editing, a more powerful enthusiast PC will better match your needs. Is it worth the money? If you value an efficient AMD Ryzen 5 6-core processor, dedicated Radeon 4 GB graphics, fast 16GB DDR4 RAM, a responsive 512GB NVMe SSD, modern Wi-Fi 6, and a clean white tower aesthetic at an accessible price point, it is a premier, practical investment for your desk setup.